Hello!
And welcome
to another video of YouTube fun.
Yes. So we're doing another one of those build battles. This week we decided to switch the sets. I have the green set and Jamal has the blue one. Same rules apply. We're going to be putting a timer on 20 minutes or 21?
We did 22 last
22
time,
minutes?
but we can do whatever.
We'll just do 22 minutes again. We'll showcase our builds, talk about what we're trying to do and create. We'll leave it up to you guys to decide who wins. Without further ado, we're going to start. Oh, let me get my timer. Instructions? Don't need those.
Oh boy.
Oh my gosh.
Alright. Pieces are out. Oh, we'll have to rebuild this time. Ready?
No. But okay. Okay. And start. Do you have an idea of what you're building?
I do.
Crap, I don't. Stupid. Oh my gosh, these builds are so funny.
Oh no, I can't take it out. More of it? Shit. Right? Oh crap, I
No!
Push me further, so couldn't close inside.
Deep in concentration for this round.
Yes. No, 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 no. 10 feet over, say I'm always up to
Ah, farts.
You're standing there with guns wide
Oh my god. What the heck? Oh gosh, I'm not even done.
Oh jeez, we're that oh.
That was a fast 22 minutes. Oh, no, it fell apart! No! Must revive. Okay. Well. Oh, you're just so much cooler than mine.
Alright.
Well, mine's too top heavy. So, oh wait, maybe I can. Oh, there we go. No! Come on, man.
These look so stupid! Okay.
This is my creature. Don't know how to fully explain him. I wanted to put a jaw on him, but time was of the essence, and I didn't have the time for that.
I think yours looks sick.
I wanted to use these big old pieces for his teeth, but it just didn't work. It's kind of like a flying creature, you know, and then he can stand up. Wants to go fly. He just brings out his wings and his flaps. Oh, piece kind of popped off there. My bad. And then he just flies away.
There we go. So here is my build. I did another mech kind of thing. The plan was to do... I broke him. Whoops.
Yeah, I broke mine too.
Oh, there goes his tail. Plan was to build this robot kind of thing with legs and have cool movable joints, but as I kept building he definitely got more and more funky looking, but his head moves, and his head I just went for some weird chicken looking thing. He's got this arm that has a cannon on it with reloadable claw things, so it's like shoots him out, and then he's got some tentacle feelies on this hand, and he's got a
He had a tail.
he got a big old mighty tail, which helps him stand up. But yeah, he was initially supposed to be a cool robot, but instead he turned into a goofy looking chicken. And yeah, that's my build. That's what I came up with in 20 minutes.
22.
22. These are our 2 builds for today. Goofy looking things, but you know, we had fun doing it again because it's all hilarious. Thanks for watching again.
Yep.
Let us know whose build you thought was better. And
if you have any ideas of what you want us to do or to see, let us know.
yeah,
And we'll give it a shot.
Alright, so thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.
Like and subscribe. Leave a comment.